Take a moment to check out the 2015 Volkswagen Golf GTI. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a high-spirited Golf GTI that's as practical as it is fun to drive. Fuel efficient, impeccably built, safety-minded, connected, and refined. This is the affordable, family-friendly hatchback with an undeniable sports car soul. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't miss out on the driving pleasure you crave. Get into this Golf GTI. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.